This video is going to be on solving exponential equations. So we're going to be using our knowledge of prime factors to help us solve exponential equations. And the way or the rule, the understanding that we apply, I'm going to explain this to you as we go along. So if the first one we have is 3 to the x is equal to 3 to the 4. Now, we're not dividing, okay? We don't perform mathematical operations or arithmetic operations here. What happens is if we have the same base, so I have base 3 and I have base 3, and I'm basically saying 3 to the power something is equal to 3 to the power 4, then we are making a conclusion, okay? So there's no arithmetic operation, no adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing that goes on. It's just a conclusion that, well, if the bases are the same and they are equal, then the powers must also be equal, okay? Okay, now here, the bases are not equal. I can't do what I did in example A. However, and I can't do anything else. That's important to know. Like there's no arithmetic operation that I can perform here to solve this equation. However, I can rewrite 8 as 2 to the power 3. Now I have like bases. Okay. And so when I have like bases, I am able to make that conclusion that my bases are also equal. So here again, my bases are not equal. There is no math or no arithmetic that I can do. However, I can rewrite 1 over 25. I'm going to do this in 2 steps so you can see it, but if you can do it in 1, then that's fine. So I write 25 as base 5, except right now I have 1 over. I still don't have like bases. But remember, when you have a base in the denominator, if I push that base into the numerator, its exponent will become negative. So it's almost like taking your negative exponent rule and you're working the other way around. And so now I can draw the conclusion that because I have same bases equal, that means that my exponents are equal. So if we have, like we do here, where we have 7 and we have 49, so by now I'm hoping you can see what we need to do. We have to write 49 as base 7, and that's 7 squared. Now I have same bases equal. That means my exponents are equal, except now instead of having just a single variable exponent, my exponent here is an expression, right? So m minus 3 equals 2. So I'm not done yet. Now I can do arithmetic operations to solve for m. We need to add 3. So we will get m equals 5. here we have to remember our 0 power rule, because we will sit and we will say, I can't make any base 6 equal 1, but we can, because 6 to the power 0 is 1, and that then tells me that x equals 0, not x equals 1. Remember, it's you have to equate your exponents. Okay, so make sure you have all these examples worked out, and that will help you work on the worksheet.